Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video. Today is Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. I'm actually filming this on Friday, which never happens. Normally I film these pretty far in advance, but it was a little bit of a slower week this week, so I was kind of waiting to get more packages. So I am excited to dive into everything. We still have quite a few to get through, and I can't wait to see what we got. So let's go ahead and get started. If you are new to my channel and you're checking me out because of this unboxing, hello, welcome. I do these every single Friday here on my channel. Save up all of my PR and then we unbox them together. I do lots of beauty reviews, makeup tutorials, and especially love to see what you guys are interested most in. So comment down below, let me know what you want to see reviews on, what you want to see videos on. First up, we've got a package here from Koki Cosmetics. I have been in love with their makeup sponge, you guys. It is so good. I feel like I have been using it so much recently, so if you haven't checked that out, highly recommend. Ooh, I think we have, I was gonna say some palettes because it looks like palettes, but it says Molly, we can't wait for you to try out our new matte bronze collection. Okay, so bronzers. So it looks like we have 4 new colors. I believe this is a new formula as well. So Koki is a very affordable brand. You can find them at Walgreens, I believe. You can also find them on their website. They also asked me if I wanted to become an affiliate with them recently, so I am now an affiliate. You get an additional percentage off their products. I always link my codes down below, so if you want to shop them, it's just Makeup Molly. So here are their bronzers. These are very large pans. I love that they put like the elephants on everything. I think it's so cute. I love elephants. So we have quite a few different shades here. These this one here is Heat Wave. This one is Sunlit Peach. So those are those two. I think both those are still going to be maybe a little bit dark for me. We'll see which one I pick. And then we have this one here in Stay Golden. And then lastly, we have a shade right here in Soul Tan. I love that they have a wide range in these colors. I feel like they're going to work for a lot of people. So I'm probably going to go with the lightest shade, which is this one, Sunlight Peach, I think. So let's go ahead and swatch it so we can see the formula. I love trying new bronzers. That's like one of my favorite things to try. So I see, it says matte, but I see a tiny bit of particles in here, which will probably help it kind of blend. So let's see. Ooh, this is going to be like the perfect color for me. Here is what it looks like. It feels very buttery, very smooth. It kind of reminds me, honestly, you guys, of like the Milani one that I feel like everyone raves about all the time, which I know is like a dupe for the Fenty one, so this might be a dupe for that as well, but it looks really pretty. I can't wait to try that. It says matte, but I almost feel like it has a little bit of luminosity to it. Not much, but tiny bit, so that is exciting. We have a package here from Laura Mercier up next. Laura Mercier introduced the most iconic products in a new mini format for those easy, flawless touch-ups. Dreaming of a holiday, we've got you covered. Got inspired from Laura Mercier's favorite Parisian spots in the Big Apple. Awesome. So it looks like they have some new minis. So it looks like everything came in this makeup bag. So let's pull everything out. Okay, so we have a mini tinted moisturizer right here. I think I've tried this. I can't remember. I think I have a full size of this one. I need to pull it back out and I can't remember like if I liked the formula or if I didn't. We have a mini little translucent powder. I know I love that. We have a pure canvas primer. I haven't tried that one. That sounds nice. Oh, there's 2 different primers. So there's a hydrating one and then also a blurring one. Definitely curious about the hydrating one. Oh, these are so cute. And then little mini caviar sticks. Oh my gosh, I know a lot of people love these. So we have, it looks like 5 different colors of those. That is so cute. And then lastly, a little mini lipstick here too. I love that. Love minis. Thank you, Laura Mercier. Okay, next up we have a product from Ciate London. I was really excited. So this is their new Dewy Skin Glass Glow Skin Tint. This actually sounds amazing. So it says here that they have this little scan thing. I actually like it when brands do that because you can scan that and then find out more information on it without having to have like too much, you know, cartridge used. So that's nice. So let's go ahead and open this box. So it looks like there are 10 different shades that they send over. So I'm trying to think which one will work best for me. I'm kind of thinking 020. I'm thinking this one will work best. So let's go ahead and see what the formula looks like. So it's just a small little squeezy tube. I like the packaging, very sleek. So I'm very curious to see kind of what this formula is like. So my favorite for like foundation is like a natural finish, but I also really do enjoy more of like a sheer glowy product as well. So this is something that I reach for a lot, especially like in the summertime. So it might be something that I really enjoy. Okay, this actually looks like it's going to be a pretty good match. It might be a little bit light. I might have to go one shade darker or maybe mix the two, but it actually looks like it has pretty good coverage when I'm putting it here on my hands. Like, it looks like it's going to be, like it says, glowy. So it says dewy. Kind of blend it out a little more for you guys. I can definitely see a glow for sure, but the coverage doesn't look bad. I bet this would look really pretty, like mixed in with another foundation as well if you wanted to do that. Let's see. It says tinted balm with vitamin C, dragon fruit, and yuzu extract. I'm not sure what that is, but sounds really nice. Sounds really good. I'll have to give it a try. I might try the deeper. I might try the next one up. So this one is 020. I think 030 might also work for me, or I might mix the two. But I'm excited to try that out, and I love that they are kind of doing more complexion products. I feel like they don't have a ton. Ciate, maybe I'm wrong, but I don't know that they even have like a foundation or anything. If they do, I haven't really seen it come out, so that's cool that they're doing a little bit more complexion. So you have this big old box, and I can hear something like rattling in here, and I'm like, what is in here? It's literally just these two like eggs, like in this ginormous box. Okay, I don't see anything in here, but this is from Eco Tools, and it's a surprise fresh perfecting blender. So little Easter egg presents. Cute. All right, let's open one up and see. I actually really like their sponges. They have really nice sponges. I think their one, like their normal one, is like a green color. Aw, I'm kind of ruining the little thing, but it's okay. So, oh, they're marble. Cute. So here is what it looks like. It's like a pink marble, kind of like a little egg. Super cute. And then it comes in here. I might actually use this little egg for Rowan's Easter basket because I'm starting to get that together. So it looks like there are multiple ones that you can find. So it has the sugar plum, the berry blue, pink grapefruit, and then also a color changing lemon drop. So it changes in warm water, which is cool. So it says only a limited supply of the color changing one is out there. It says once you find it, you can tag them on Instagram for an extra surprise. So if you get the lemon drop one, then you can get a surprise. That's kind of cute, something different. I feel like that's a cute idea. So I see in here pink, and then I think, honestly, I think this one is pink as well. You can kind of see. So I don't know if you can see those in the store maybe to like look for the other one, but I think I got two pink ones, but that's super cute. What a fun idea. I am really excited to try this sponge as well. It feels really soft. I'm sure it's going to be nice like their other sponges, but it's super cute. I love that idea. Okay, we've got a new makeup eraser. You guys hear me talking about these literally all of the time. They are my absolute favorite. I love them for removing swatches, for removing my makeup. You just have to wet them with water. They're really an amazing tool. So this one is in collaboration with Charity Water, and it says 10% of the benefits, 10% of the sales will go to benefit charity. Water is a non-profit organization that helps bring clean and safe drinking water to people in developing countries. So that is awesome. This is also a really fun pattern. I love this, like the ombre right here. Very, very cool. I will leave my code as well for Makeup Eraser down below. I have a 15% off code, so you get 15% off. It makes these even cheaper. So definitely check that out. And I love that they are doing that for charity. I think that's amazing, and that they're doing it for clean water, because the whole point behind these is that you use less makeup wipes because you are using a reusable product. This can be used, oh my gosh, so many times. I think it says equal to 3,600 makeup wipes just in one of these, because you can just wash it. So I actually already washed this one because I was putting a load of them together. I have so many, and I knew it was in here, so I went ahead and washed it. But they feel so soft, especially you are supposed to wash them before you use them. I don't think a lot of people know that, but they get even softer when you wash them. So yeah, super cute. Love this one. I will definitely be sure to use that for sure. FedEx actually just dropped this one off as I was sitting here, and it says, it's from Flower Beauty. It says, Molly, thanks for sharing some of our favorites with you that we think you'll love. So that is from Flower Beauty. They sent over some products. I love these little palettes. I think they're so cute. This is the Petal Play one. We have their Warrior Princess Mascara. I love the Warrior Mascara. It's so good. And then we also have, what is this? Is this a nail polish? Water Paint Eye Tint. Oh, okay. Look at the like texture of this one. It's like really watery. Let me actually try this out. Let's swatch it. I haven't tried this formula before. So do a little swatch. There's what it looks like. It definitely has a lot of shine to it, but it does kind of seem sheer at the same time. So I'd be interested to see how that looks on the eyes. It very much looks sparkly. Okay, and then we have one of their color cheek drops. as well. And this is their Supernova Celestial primer whip. I really like this. It comes out like a foaming primer. It's really cool. Okay, and then we have their Forever Winged Liner, as well as a Color Shift Lip Smoothie here. Okay, and then lastly, we have the Heat Wave Luminous Bronzer. Ooh, I haven't tried this one. Quite a few of these products I have tried, but I haven't tried their bronzer before. This is just gonna be a week of bronzers, but here's what it looks like. Let's do a little swatch. I like the little swirls in it. Okay, this color's gonna be nice. So it's more of a like red base compared to the other ones, more orangey, but it looks nice and it feels also, again, really buttery. So that's always a good sign in bronzers. Thank you, Flower Booty. Next we have from DERMA. It looks like they sent over some of their CBD line. It says this is exclusive to Ulta Beauty. So we have a de-stress calming moisturizer, as well as a de-stress calming cleanser, and then a serum in that line as well. CBD products always don't agree with my skin the best, so I try to stay away from them just because I feel like I have a reaction every time I try them. So I'll probably pass those along to someone else that I know will enjoy them, but that is cool that they have that exclusive to Ulta. Okay, next up we have something from NARS, it looks like, and it says your skin turns on. This is the Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer SPF 30. It says it'll be available on March 15th at Sephora and Ulta and NARS.com. Okay, like I said, just love when I get complexion products. I'm always so excited to try like new foundations and stuff. All right, so here is what the package looks like. It says your skin turned on, and I think, all right, so here is what it looks like, the Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. All right, and I think cute. They just sent over some different shades here in it. So it says it comes in 16 different shades. It's for all skin types and skin tones. It's everything for everyone. Coveted formula that smooths, buildable, oil-free coverage infused with SPF, packed with skincare ingredients as well to help smooth, brighten, and protect. Lightweight hydration. So sounds like everything I would like in one. So let's see here. It looks like they sent over 3 different shades. I'm trying to see which one would work best for me. So I got 0, 1, and 3. So I'm not really sure because it's hard to tell through the tube here, but we'll go with the middle one. So let's go ahead and try 1. And so we can see coverage wise, it seems pretty thick actually. Like it's a little bit of a thicker formula initially. I wonder if this is like a play on their Sheer Glow foundation. I really love that one. So I bet I will really enjoy this. It looks nice. It looks really nice actually. And that actually looks like a perfect match for me. So very glowy for sure. It feels like it's lightweight. It's blending in really nicely. I think this is going to be really nice on the skin. It smells a little bit like a fruity smell, like almost like a citrus. But yeah, especially if it has SPF in it, I'll be reaching for this probably a ton in the summer. I'll see how it wears on my skin. But I'm excited. 2 different glowy products. I'm definitely excited for that for summertime. So it does say, like I said, available on the 15th. So look out for that one. Next we have DERMALOGICA with some products. So we have their Melting Moisture Mask. This is an extreme moisture mask for dry skin. Perfect. And then we also have their Power Bright Dark Spot Serum as well. So 2 new products from them, clinically proven to start fading dark spots within 1 week. So that actually sounds really nice. I'm not sure if the other one is new from them or just the dark spot toner, but the Melting Moisture Mask sounds actually really good. We have Ciate London, and it looks like they have some new lip products. So these are their Sweet Lips Mask and Balm. Okay, that sounds good. So we have, it looks like 3, there's 4, I think 3 different flavors. So we have Totally Cocoa, Just Juicy, and then also we have Minted. So I'm kind of leaning towards the Just Juicy one. So let's pull this one open so we can see what the formula is like. So this is going to be a lip mask / treatment. That's really great for the summertime as well, because I feel like I just put these on my lips and go. But oh my god, the smell is amazing. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. All right, it kind of reminds me of like the Laneige, like their sleeping mask. It's kind of thicker, but I like applying these during the day sometimes just to have something on my lips for hydration. But it kind of reminds me of that formula with like how thick it is. So this will be great for overnight, I bet, as well. Okay, and we've got one last package here, and this one is from Essence. So it says, blame it on the fruit. We're excited to introduce you to our new fruity flavored additions. These are the Juicy Balm Shiny Lip Gloss and Fruit Kissing Care Balm. Okay, so we've got some stickers in here. Oh my gosh. It is packed with candy. Not mad at that. I see some ring pops, some Smarties. And then let's see the products. Okay, so here are the Juicy Balms. So these are a shiny lip balm. So we have Pink Lemonade. This one is I can never say that right. I think is how you say it. Oh my gosh. Let me know down below. And then we have the Watermelon Crush. And we also have Crazy Cherry. I love fruit scented things, so I'm excited about these. And then also a Sweet Peach. I love the little tubes. That like reminds me of like my childhood for sure. And then we have the little lip balms. So these are with 10% almond oil, it says. So these have different flavors too. So this is Raspberry Dream. And then we have Strawberry Kiss. This one is Cherry Love. Ooh, pineapple vibes, that sounds really good. And then this one is a Coconut Lust. And then lastly, we have a Lime Crush. These all sound so good. I'm always into fruit flavored things, like I was saying, and I can't wait to put these all over my lips for sure. Thank you, Essence. After that, you guys, that is going to do it for this week's PR unboxing and haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of these new makeup launches and skincare launches. Let me know down below what products you guys are most excited about, what you want to see tutorials on. I always say, but follow me on Instagram if you're not already. That's where I do the most tutorials, so make sure to head over there. Thank you guys again for watching. Subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you next time.